Jessamine Ochoa here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe down below and make sure you hit the bell notification so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you want to follow me on social media as well, I would recommend for you to follow me on Instagram. That's where I'm the most active. I usually post on my stories every day. And I ask some questionnaires and all of that. My Instagram name is Jessamine8A. I'm gonna be linking it down below as well so you can follow me on there. And so for this video that I am making, I wanted to show you guys a bit of my apartment tour. So this is my new apartment here in the Bay Area. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like, what my decoration is like. I know a lot of people are interested in like home decor videos. So this is one of those. I'm gonna be explaining to you guys where I got most of the things. If you have any other questions regarding like something specific that you want to know more about, you can ask me in the comments. I'll be looking on there and answering to the comments and questions. So I'll be on there. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna first show you guys a bit of a montage of what it was like to go shopping for all of the apartment decor, furniture, and all of that. It's just like a little montage at the beginning, and then I'm gonna be getting into the actual apartment tour, where I'm gonna be showing you guys pretty much every room here in our new apartment, and then I'll be letting you guys know where I got everything. I'll be linking some of the things down below, so also look on there in the description to see if I linked any of the items. And like I said, if you have any questions, comment them as well. I hope you guys can enjoy this video again and have a good day. So these are some of the things that we got at Home Goods today. We got this steak golden art piece. We got this clear shower caddy since we threw away our old one. And we got these little baskets just for organizing in the bathroom. We got this little tray. I thought it was super cute. It's pretty heavy since all of our things in the bathroom are kind of this marble. So to add this with some products on top. And then we got these rugs for the bathroom and this beautiful round mirror that I've been wanting so it can look like this. Super cute. So got this plant for our living room area. These two little cute hanging potted plants. I think we're probably gonna put them outside out there. They're super cute. This for our wine bottles, so we can put them up. And I also got this beautiful vase with some flowers, and this is gonna be going in my new makeup desk. Really excited. It looks super nice. Yeah, so that was pretty much all we got at Home Goods. We're just slowly getting the apartment together. We still have a few things left to buy. We still have some more furniture left to buy as well. So we're slowly, bringing it together, and I'll just keep showing you guys what I buy and then the final result as well. So here it is, the final apartment tour. So this is the little front entrance. We have a lot of greenery around the apartment, which is really nice to walk around during the day. And then here's our front door. So as you come in, The first thing that you see is a small little coat closet. We have our coats in there, and then our shoe rack is in there as well, so that we don't use shoes inside of the apartment, to keep it a little bit cleaner. Then we have, this is just like a main view of the apartment area. We have the little office area. This is the little bar cart that we got from Amazon. So I'm gonna be linking it down below. We really love it. It's really nice, beautiful, and I think it's pretty sturdy as well. So I definitely recommend this little wine cart. And then I decided to build this wall of art. I really wanted to do this, and I'm really glad I did it. I think it just looks really beautiful as like a statement piece right when you come into the apartment. So I have some artwork on here. And then this is my boyfriend's work area. He has a stand-up desk. I'm gonna be linking it down below as well. I think he loves it a lot. He uses a stand-up desk, so you can stand it up, so you can stand up when you're tired of sitting down. So again, it's a really good desk if you're working from home, so I'll be linking it down below. Then we are coming into our bedroom. So this is one of my favorite places of the apartment. I really loved how it turned out. I think it's really nice and beautiful. So we have a little mirror on the side here, so I can take a look at like my full outfits in the day. And then my makeup desk, which I really love, is actually from Wayfair. I'll be linking it down below as well. I added the lights. The lights were not included, but I added those vanity lights. So I have a good amount of light when I do my makeup. I have all my makeup organized in the little drawers that you see on there. Then my chair is from TJ Maxx. And then I love this storage cube area. We got this furniture piece at IKEA. We have some books on there, my jewelry, some of our perfumes, colognes. On the top, we have this beautiful big plant that I showed you guys earlier. This is from Home Goods. We have a little picture of us, the Stay Golden sign that you guys saw earlier as well. The star light is from IKEA. And then this artwork as well, I love it. I got this posters printed out for the poster store, I believe. And I just put them on there. I want to frame them later, but for now I just put the posters up like that. And then this beautiful bed that I have on here, we're probably going to change it later, but this was actually my old bed from my family home. This bed, I really love it. I think it goes really well with the decorations that we ended up picking. It's just white, and then it has some like sparkles around the edges. And then this beautiful moon fixture that I have, this moonlight, works with batteries, and it is from Urban Outfitters. Our little side table and our dresser are both from IKEA. And the little decoration pieces that I have on top there of the dresser are mostly from TJ Maxx and from Target, actually. My jewelry holder, which I really love. I love how it's golden. And that is from the store Urban Outfitters. And then I love how our bedroom has this beautiful big mirror where I can take a look at my whole outfit. And when I'm doing workout sometime in the room here, I just take a look at myself in the mirror there. And then this beautiful rug is from IKEA. So again, if you're interested in any other pieces, want to know more information, just ask them down below and I'll comment where I got them from. So now we're gonna be heading into the bathroom. So this is what the bathroom looks like. It's a lot bigger than our bathroom in our old apartment, which I really like. It has this really long, big vanity area, so we can put our things on there. And it has this big mirror on the front. I added this little piece of artwork that I got again from the poster store. I just thought it looked really nice. We have a little plant on the corner there as well. And then for the bathroom toilet area, we have this beautiful like plant wall. that I got from IKEA. And then on the vanity, as you guys can see, we have that little side tray. So in that little side tray, I have some of my skincare on there, as well as a few other like hand creams and other things. I think it's a good way to keep it organized while having it out on display as well. And then here in the shower, as you guys can see, we have the little caddy that I showed you guys from HomeGoods. I really love how it looks here in the bathroom. And that's pretty much it for the bathroom. It's pretty simple. I just added a few little plants just to add some greenery in there. And I think it just looks really nice and simple in the bathroom. And then upcoming, we're gonna go into the living room. So I filmed this during Christmas time. So these are our beautiful Christmas trees. This tree I actually got from my parents. We got it as a little welcome gift to our new apartment, and I really love it. It has a lot of the decorations and the lights actually included in the tree already. If I can find it on the website, I'll be linking it down below. It's from Home Depot. And then this is an overview of our whole living room. So as you guys can see, we only have one couch for now. We want to buy another one in the future, but for now it's just this beautiful couch. We got it off of, I believe, Facebook Marketplace actually. And it's a beautiful Scandinavian style couch, super comfortable, and it's actually a sleeper couch, so it becomes a full-size queen bed, and it's super comfortable with memory foam. Then our coffee table, which I love, as you guys can see, it comes out so you can actually sit on there to do some work or eat while you watch TV. It's from IKEA. I really recommend it. I'll be linking it down below as well. And then here's the furniture piece from our old apartment. So as you guys can see, it's like a big console for the TV as well as some decorations. So I added some of the decorations. I bought this new art piece before we left Santa Barbara, just as a reminder of beautiful Santa Barbara. And then I had a lot of Christmas decorations on there, some candles, pictures. And yeah, that's pretty much the living room. And the rug is from IKEA. I love the rug. I would definitely recommend checking out IKEA rugs. They're super comfortable and pretty and expensive. And then we have our dining area. So as you guys can see, it's pretty simple, but I really like how it looks. I'll probably add some more artwork later, but for now this is how it looks. I have this beautiful white table. It's like a glossy finish on the top with the metal legs. This is also from IKEA. And then these chairs, I'm not sure where my parents got them, but they gave them to us and we had them in our previous apartment, but they're really nice and they match with the silver of the table. And now we have the kitchen. So here's how the kitchen looks. I really love the granite countertops. All the appliances were new, so I really like it. And I like how they're all stainless steel. And then we have some of our own appliances that we brought. We have our coffee maker, air fryer, and then here is our fridge. So as you guys can see, we have a lot of pictures and little magnets. Every time we travel, we get a magnet from whatever place we travel to, so we have those on there. And then this is our patio. So our patio is really nice and simple. It's not too big, but I think it's enough space, especially just for the two of us. I have these hanging lights for the Christmas time, and then these are the hanging pots that I got from HomeGoods. I think they look super beautiful. I have one on each side, and it's hard for us to keep plants, real plants, alive, so that's why you have these fake plants, but they still look really beautiful. This plant that we have on this outdoor table is actually a real plant. We got it from IKEA. They have a lot of inexpensive but beautiful plants on there if you guys are looking for any. And then this table and chairs are actually from my parents' house. They had an extra one, so they decided to give it to us for now. And so yeah, I really like how it looks. And then we want to add a hammock later on to this outdoor area. So that's pretty much it for this little apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please keep watching my upcoming videos.